Hey guys, what's going on? So, happy Easter. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this model I designed recently. Check it out. It is an origami Easter basket, and it's also like a purse because it's kind of narrow on the sides. And yeah, it has a nice handle here, you can carry it. And you can put like some candy in there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami, so let's begin white side up and fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. And fold in half the other way. Okay, unfold, and now fold this point to the middle. And unfold and repeat on this side. Okay, and now unfold and now fold this point to here. And unfold and now fold this point to the last crease. Okay, and now unfold and refold like this and fold this point to here. Unfold and now fold this point to the top. Okay, and now unfold and refold these two ends right here. And fold this up on this crease, and fold this down like this, and fold this like that, and then now get the flap on top, and fold down like this. Okay, and now turn over, and too much. Okay, and now we're going to take this edge and fold them to the middle crease. And be sure to hold the layers down when you do this. Okay, like that. And now turn over. And now, by holding the layers down, fold this edge to the middle. So yeah, hold it down so this doesn't slide up like that. Hold it as firm as possible. Alright, and you can unfold this time. And repeat on this side. Okay, and unfold. And now we're going to make a fold in between these 2 points. So fold this up like this. We're going to fold this point to that point. Alright, unfold and repeat on this side. Okay, like this. And now let's just kind of curl these. These two flaps are going to become the handle. So, just kind of curl them. And now we're going to make this a little bit smaller because we're going to stick one inside the other. So, just to make it easier, let's just fold this point like this. Just fold it however much you can. It's to taste. Just about like that. Or just try and match what I'm doing. Okay, and now we're going to form the box. So before we make the handle, let's form the box first. So let's turn over like this. I'm gonna zoom in quite a bit here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this triangle right here in half. So we're gonna take this point and fold it to this point. This. Alright. And then we have this flap in here, and we'll lock it after we make these 3 folds. So let's undo that for now and do the same thing on the remaining 3. So just fold those triangles in half, those corners in half. Like this. See, this is what's going on this side. See? Okay, and now let's lock them. So before we lock them, let's fold this flap down like this. Get these flaps out of the way. There we go. All right, now let's lock them. So this is just like reforming a box, similar. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna zoom in quite a bit because this is small. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this edge right here and we're gonna fold it to that crease like this. See? Yeah, this is kind of tricky out of 6-inch paper. That's why I recommend using 10-inch paper or bigger. Like this. Just do the best you can. That's the hardest fold, but yeah. If you can't do it, you can just maybe tape it together if you want, but no. I hate using tape. Okay. And do the same thing on the remaining 3. So I'll show you on this one, then I'll fast forward the other 2. So fold that edge to the side right there. Okay, and now do that with the other 2. Okay, and now let's attach the 2 ends. So we're going to stick this end inside of this end. So just take it and stick it in as far as it goes. So until it stops going in. Or just stick it in about maybe like that until you see a little diamond. It's to taste, actually. So if you want it to be a little bit smaller, then you fold it in more. But if you want it larger, then just do it about like that. Okay, like that. And now comes my favorite step. We're gonna get rid of these flaps. So we're gonna stick this flap into this pocket. So just stick it in like this. I really like that step. And same on this side. Once did that, here is our Easter basket purse complete. You just kind of shape it. Oh, careful that those flaps don't come undone. And here it is, the Easter basket purse. See, here's one I folded from a 6-inch square of decorative paper, Origami. Yep, so I put the small one in the big one. You can put candy in there also. Yeah, and oh yeah, it spins on the table too. This one actually spins a little bit better for some reason. Yeah, see? It's also a spinner. Yeah, it helps to spin it on a flat surface like this. So yeah, there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this. Hope you're able to. And make sure you subscribe, and have a happy Easter. Alright, see you guys later.